Good evening, everyone. It's Friday night. I've just finished my Friday night tour of Utopia Stage 2 short. Taken the kids to their drama group, and now I'm on my way down to the ducks to put them up, put them in for the night. I've already been down earlier and popped the tortoises in just before I had to do dad taxi duties. It's starting to get dark, so we better get them locked away quick before Mr. Fox comes along. So at work today, I drove the ride on lawnmower at a bonfire. Really enjoyed it. It was good to be out in the garden. It was sunny. It was quite sunny earlier on, which was nice to get out in the fresh air. So if we have a quick look over there, look, all the tortoises are in. We've just got this lot to stick in. So we're just going to pop in quickly and put these guys in. In the meantime, here's me from earlier, riding on my tractor and having a bonfire. See you in a bit. Another day at the office. Well, here we are. I'm at work today. I'm just burning some leaves and sticks that I've just cut down from up the top garden. We're going to take the little tractor, the little ride on lawnmower, and head back up the top now. See you later on. here we go then. Going to put the tractor back in its garage, put the trailer away, and head back up to the office. See you soon. There we go, safely back in the garage. Wasn't sure whether going forwards or backwards then, so I just took it in forwards. I think that's how I found it. Anyway, see you soon. So here's the other tractor in the garage. We didn't use this one today. I had it going in yesterday though. He's a bit meatier. Slower actually, I think, but yeah, he's in the garage today. I thought I'd try out the old ride-on lawnmower with its little trailer, and it was more fun, I think. It's like a little go-kart. Anyway, pop back in the office and get changed now. See you all later. There we go then. Everyone's put away. As you can see, everyone's in. Unfortunately, I was unable to do time-lapse tonight because I left my tripod in my wife's car, so I had nowhere to stand the phone up while I was doing the recording. So I just had to put the phone down on the side for a minute. The sun's dropping behind the horizon now, so once again we got them all in just in time before Mr. Fox came. How did you like the tractor video? I enjoyed riding around on it. Yeah, so I had a nice day at work today. Did a bit of fault finding. I was looking for a defective thermal mixing valve, TMV, on the water system, as it was causing cold water, mains cold water, to push through into the hot water side, back up into the cold water storage tank on the roof, which was causing it to overflow. They've been losing water for months apparently, but today I managed to find which was the faulty TMV, isolate the cold supply. We got hot water all around the building again, and stopped the leak. So mission accomplished. And just next week now I'll have to actually change the valve and reinstate it. Anyway, sorry that was another short one. Tomorrow is Saturday, so tomorrow we'll start with a park run tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and then I'll be coming home hopefully after picking up a couple of bags of bark, and we'll finish off barking off that front garden, and then maybe clearing out the two little gardens either side of the porch over there. Anyway, in the meantime, have a good evening everyone. Hopefully see you again over the weekend. If not, see you next week. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.